welcome to CodeSpeak Labs. My name is Lorena, and today I will be giving you tips on how to film a video for your YouTube channel. For example, I would be telling you guys the basics to know when for filming a YouTube video. For example, like the ones that I see when I watch makeup tutorials with my sisters. So number one is writing a script. You don't necessarily have to go by it word for word, but writing a script helps you like already have in mind what to talk about next or what you are going to talk about. And then second is camera setup. So you can use different devices to film a video. For example, a computer, your mobile phone, or like an actual camera. You don't necessarily have to start with the like professional camera at the beginning. Most, like from the YouTube videos or YouTubers that I watch, most of them started small. Like they started filming with their iPhone, and then as they grew, they updated to the cameras. And then for the background, it depends kind of on like what kind of videos to make. For example, I like watching makeup tutorials, and from what I see in the background, it's usually makeup related or just like cute girly things. And so like for me, the more professional side, like it's not like makeup or games or anything like that. So I had to have like a blank backdrop just so like nothing takes the tension away. But if you do have like things on your background, just make sure it's not as noticeable so that you're like the center of attention, I guess. And then lighting, most YouTubers use like ring lights, but you don't have to. You can just use natural lighting, or like if your room has good lighting, just turn on your light on or something. Also, coming up with content, it, like I said, depends what your channel is about. Like there's a lot of gaming channels, makeup channels, like vlog channels too. So it really depends what your channel is about and like what you want your content to contain. So like makeup channels, they make makeup tutorials or like must-have makeup or like things like that. And then username, most YouTubers just use like their name. Like say I was like a YouTube channel, like vlogs by Lorena or something like that. The topics of videos, like I said, just depends. Mostly depends on what your YouTube channel is, but there's like different videos here and then, like about some they just put vlogs, or like them shopping for makeup or things like that. Like for example, the theme of the videos that I create for CodeSpeak Labs it's based around social media. So obviously I have to talk about social media. Like I have created a video on how to make a post, how to create an animated video, how to edit photos, and all that. And then, so when recording, you have to be right in front of the camera. Like it's better to be centered than like to the side, because then there's like this all like blank, and like you don't want that. You like want to be like the center of attention for your video. And then when also recording, you have to make sure you speak loud and clear. I mean, unless you have like a microphone, which in this case I don't, so I have to talk loud and clear, or at least try to make as if you were actually talking to your audience, like face to face. Like try to look directly into your camera, like not all throughout the video, because then that just makes it a little bit weird. And then for the promotion of your video, So after they are published, I see that a lot of YouTubers promote them through their social media accounts. For example, they like take the links of their video and upload it to Instagram or Snapchat or Twitter, and they just promote them through there. So just write a script, make sure your camera setup is good, coming up with content beforehand. Promote your videos through social media. For social media, just make sure your parents allow you to have one. Like, don't go behind their back creating one, because we don't want that. We don't want you guys getting in trouble. So make sure you get their permission if they let you have one, and if not, talk to them and like just ask them for them to run it until you're old enough to run it yourself. And then for the presence of the camera, make sure it's centered, your voice is loud and clear, you say your words clearly, and yeah. So that's all for today, folks. Today I taught you on how to make your own YouTube video, and now feel free to go use those tips to create your first YouTube video. And thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.